Hey, beat me Jiki back to some more of the train versus cars. It's like where a train meets the rails. Yeah. It's like that game but different. You can switch coins, and I'm dead. My hard work has been gone. Now my boy, my brother, is on the. I just had to switch the points. I'm coming in separate corners. Ooh. Hold on, we got time. Get that. Spawns. Put this on the truck. Ready to go. Alright, let me do this. Oh, the tanker truck all the way over here. Tanker McNanker. No, I didn't mean to move the car. I'll move back. I'll move back. Come back here, boy. You ain't going nowhere. Oh, train's coming. Train's coming. Ah! What the heck was that? My God, what's happening in the tunnel? I'm not even gonna worry. Something came out of the other end. Obviously, it was a train. And just all over again because my shot was ruined. Oh, bro, there's a train pile up in there. Train switching. Go.
As you guys know, I made my show with a brand new thing update next week. And as you guys can see right here, I am not ready for this update at all. I got about 480 updates. Next evening's not even Stornger Goshi Roger, bro. No.
I still move.
So I know what you guys must be thinking. Why am I
Bro,
taking
my
this
other side, my truck is broken. It's right there, pal.
So basically what we're doing in today's video is logging into those overpowered free-to-play accounts. Free to play, don't pay to win.
Oh, the indignity. Up and the container is gone. Put that back on there. Truck. Go Shane. Oh man, he want to switch. Here we come. Oh gosh. It's gonna do. Oh my god. And they're gonna drift like that. That train built that life. That train built that life. Oh, look, it's in snake form. Alright, let me do this again. No. What the? Up over the train, fly into the ravine. Why is there even a ravine right there? Hold on, guys. I'm trying to move that thing. Yeah. Oh, wait. There you go. Where the train at? Switch box. I'm not. Yeah, oh, what the heck? Come here, boy. Ah. Oh no. Uh-oh, and the train's gonna run me over. There's a backup train though. There's a backup train though. I'm finna die today. Oh crap! I'm stuck in the tunnel. I don't mean to derail the train. I understand. Oh no. Or no. Rest in peace, my boy. Rest in peace, my boy. What the heck was that? Rest in peace, my boy. There's collision in the tunnel. Ooh. That is one good looking train, bro. Not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. Train switching. I gotta say that is one good looking train. And the train derails. Get through the tunnel. And here comes the fancy train. Coming in hot. It's coming in quick. Uh-oh. She's collision in the tunnel. There you go. Maybe that's a good looking train. Alright, we got to. That train came in quick. Alright, come on. Go back over here. No. Is the train coming? Yeah, we got her. We got time for one more truck. And I'm dead. No. Stupid. What? Oh, wait a minute. This train flying on the hill. Let's go railroad. Look, this train. Oh, bam. Oh, there he goes. Oh, gosh. I knew that. There's gonna be a train flying in the air. Hey, bub. Hey, bud. We'll get the car out. Come on, Beam and GK, we got this. We got this. We got this. Yeah. Alright. This is good. 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 Yeah, you got the flathead. You're just ooh. Not the caboose. The caboose, bro. Not the caboose, man. Up in the caboose is off in the ravine. What the? Yeah. Let's put every car on the tracks. Every car on the track. Every car on the tracks. Carry it. We gotta do. We gotta do it. Go. Them trains coming in quick. We got one more. There you go. Let's see. Can the train go? What the heck just happened? Oh, well, the train's out. We got more cars. We got more cars pulling the tracks. Yeah, we got more cars. We got more cars pulling the tracks. Wait. What the? Oh. It was the. It was a hopper car. It was a hopper car. Ah, right. No, the hopper car pulled all my cars off the train off the tracks. Now I can put them all back on there. For my time. Time for a head-on collision. Alright. So I got a train going this way and a train going this way. They're gonna hit Okay, we found a car that missing a bumper. Where did that thing come from? Yay! Dude, what are you doing? Just car on tracks too. What the was that? Flying! Hey! Train still crashed. Oh, it's coming. It's coming. Let's get train get through that. Hiya! Oh! And it head on crap with another one. Oh, and the car's gone. Go back up there. Go! Gotta reset now. I can't just get that. To teleport it. Let's see what's up here. Who's this guy? Okay, I don't care then. It's Obungus. put you on the tracks. Hoi. Among Us. What's this? On the tracks. Next time you on the tracks. Next. I can make it. 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 Fortnite! Yay! Which train's coming? Nothing. Fourth car on the tracks. Here we go. Oh god. Oh god. We gotta hurry, bro. You gotta hurry. Drink. Hey man, back on your hill. Way to go. Oh, I saw it coming. What the heck? Seeing train parts going across. Looks so bad. I'm glad it moved my. It moved it. Drink. Alright, let's do this. Oh, wait a minute, hold on a minute. Dang, it disappeared. Alright, hold on, I want to take one this way. Yes. Ah, getting hit by a train hurts. Look at this. Getting hit by a train hurts. Like seeing there, imagine getting hit by a train. You in heaven. Good. So now we're still on the tracks. They put a car on the tracks now. Nobody's coming. Alright. The car mushed on the tracks so the tanker can hit. So the tanker can hit that. Oh, it's even double. Here it comes right now. They're coming in another direction. And there's the brake blocks. The train is a goner. Truck part. Next. Let's see him make the truck. Let's see him make the train hit this side of the truck. Alright. So the tracks have been squished. By me, obviously. No, I didn't. I didn't leave it there. No. Cut you in half, my boy. Come on, my guy. Next car. Yeah. Great. Now you're not. Get out of the way. Great. And I'm stuck. On the tracks. Oh, the bumper. Yes. Hit the bumper. Tanker. Here we go. It's a hurry. Hurry! Come on! I mean, go slow. go. Let's go up. So we got the train going on this side. Hit me. Leave. Dang it! Oh well, wait, and it's gone. The car is gone. Don't worry, I will fix that. I will fix that. Hey, get back up there. Get back up there, car. Get back up there, dude. Got to switch that. Oh my god, what's happening over there? Oh, the tanker. Well, the train is stuck on. We'll switch that. There you are. Alright, let's go. So the track is switched. And I'm stuck on the tracks. I'm gonna yell on tanker and chill out there. And the car's gone. Here it comes. Oh! Cut it clean. Oh, up in the rigging. Oh, and there goes the pipes. Yep. Yep. Yeah. Hey. How about let's stay in here? Alright. So, let's wait for the train to spawn. Here we go. Here he goes. Oh! The car just exploded. Oh my god, we got time for one more. Alright guys, we got time for one more crash before I depart. I'm gonna do black and pink. And they're both gonna be tankers. So let's see the train going by. Shut the there, folks. Okay. Yeah. Oh, that is not gonna work. So let's put you up right here. Come back to you. Alright. Oh, hey, train. What you doing? What been new? Okay, we got time for one more train. And the train's gone. There it goes. Wow. Is it gonna go overboard or stay? So the car's gonna stay overboard. These trains are not gonna go. These trains spawning quick. These trains spawn in quick. No, car. Hiya! One more crash, definitely. One more crash, chill out. One more crash, definitely. Dang, take forever. Here it comes. Ah! No. And the train just sits still. What the heck? And the car just blends in with the crash. Up on the train just come back and finish the job. And here we go with the hoppers. Up in the train, up in the truck just flying in the air. I made a huge mess. The truck just flying in the air into the ravine. I'll go with you. I'll go with you. I'll go with you. Let's go then. Alright guys, I'm gonna end it there. Happy Thanksgiving.